right. And then
so the wings you really have to watch out for?
the wings are the number one thing that we can hurt on them.
Okay.
And so that's what you want to make sure you do. And then that way for you guys, when you put them in the bag, you can just put them in feet. Just set them down feet first, and it works out perfect.
Okay.
So let me put a band on them before we stick them back.
Yep.
The right way.
Hey, do I need to hold something else?
Yeah, you're
or?
just perfect.
Okay.
They're pretty harmless, actually, to us at this age. I mostly worry about hurting them more than anything.
There's that channel locks if you want that.
It's just when I opened it a little crooked.
Then the bands stay on for life then?
Yep.
Okay.
That's the hope.
Yep.
Got some bands on for a long time. Yeah, and they, so this little, and so when there's only one, we don't take them, and the reason is that in order to ensure that the nest gets used year after year, put right back there. You want like that. You want them to successfully fledge young.
Okay.
So if you take their young away, then they're more likely to